Page 13, Duet I from First Term at the Piano. This is by Bartók. 4/4 time. We'll take the right hand first. You're starting out with thumb on here, and there's no sharps or flats in the key signature. We're using the white keys. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully you can get that. All the notes are in this range. Left hand, same thing, you're down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. You're playing the same notes as the right hand, but you're 2 octaves lower. The hands are here. Put them together. 2, 2, 3, 4. So forth. So you're playing the same notes in each hand. They're different fingers, but you're playing the same notes. Then you go back and add these phrasing. Each line is a phrase in this. It just happens to work out that way. Just lift up between the phrases. So when I end the first line here, lift up. So there's a little silence before I go on. It's like taking a breath. You're cutting the last note of the line a little bit short so you can have the silence, because the beat has to be steady. Don't mess with the beat. So starting with a measure 3 there, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And do that between each slur. Both hands lift up. But for dynamics, the only thing they're giving is a moderately loud, and that would be both hands. So it's in the loud range, but not loud, just almost loud. So, I don't know. Depends on the situation. Then at the end you have a you get softer and slow down. Well, okay. Speed-wise, moderatos, and it's like about where I played it. I think is close enough. I'd like to play this with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. Not going to do the dynamics. There isn't much anyway, but I'll do the slurs and all that. So I'll give us 4 counts. Let's try it together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4.